Jake here from Car Kingdom Southend, the 65 plate Range Rover SVR in the SVR blue, the colour that everybody wants, and what a very, very well maintained vehicle this is. So we'll take you for a quick walk around tour and you can make your own mind up from there. So starting on the passenger side, we do have the original chrome wheels with Continental Sport Contact 5s with pretty much new treads all the way round. Arches look good here, and so does that massive front bumper with all the air ducts, and the bonnet looks good. Also, now coming around to the driver's side, once again, tyre has plenty of tread, nearly new that tyre, and the chrome alloy also looks in fantastic shape, so it's got that original colour to it. Now as we walk down the driver's side here, that SVR blue just pinging away in a little bit of sunlight that we've got here at the moment. We do have deployable side steps, so if we just open up the driver's door there, you'll see those ping out, and the motors have just been replaced by Land Rover themselves. Once again, chrome wheel on the back with a Conti tyre. Let's just look around the rear of the vehicle. You've got that massive V8 exhaust just burbling away there, which looks in really, really good condition. Now, being a first-gen SVR, it is one of the loudest ones made as well, and the boot lid also looks really good on the exterior there. Coming around to the rear quarter here, no paint's been done. Quarter looks good, in really, really good shape, no dents or scratches. And just coming round to the rear alloy again, which looks really, really good with the Continental Contact 5 tyre again. And as we just look down the passenger side, you can see it's a really, really clean car. And when I say this vehicle's been very well maintained, it's been under Land Rover warranty since the day it was born, and the customer always took it out every year, paid over £2,000, full Land Rover history, so overall really, really well maintained. Okay, so let's step into the inside of this vehicle. We are met with these black SVR bucket seats, which look incredible, and the bolsters also look good. We've got Meridian 1700 watt surround sound. You've got your carbon fibre pack on the inside, which is in really, really good condition. That gives you all the carbon around your air vents. Steering wheel, centre console. That 1700 watt system gives you the speakers on top. Extra speakers on the dashboard here. Overall, really, really good condition. You've got your exhaust buttons in the middle, 360 camera at the top, and the vehicle's just covered under 72,000 miles. Coming into the back of the vehicle, full leather once again. Previous owner did not have children, so there's no kick marks on the backs of the seats. Carbon fibre inserts again on the rear, and a lovely big opening panoramic sunroof with Alcantara headlining. And let's just take you round to the rear of the vehicle and open the boot. So in the boot here, we do have the parcel shelf, all in order. Got spare wipers down the side here, full service history and all of the service books. And the boot's really good. There is a mark here, which won't come out, but that's about it. And if you're buying an SVR, it's all about sound. Let's just give it a little blip on throttle. Sounds exactly as an SVR should.